All right, bro. These are 7 levels of gaming. We're gonna go from the phone to absolute gamer PC. All right. So first of all, we got mobile gaming. Now look, let's say you're a youngin, bro. Your parents got, they got their phone, and this is a stage in the level where you go ask them for their phone to their phone to play games. Now, mind you, I can't lie to you. I'm gonna say this right now. This is the prime of gaming. Mobile games back in the day were hitting like Angry Birds, Bad Piggies, Turbo Dismount. That one driving game where you can glitch and fly all the way up to the sky. Like Asphalt 8. I'm telling you, this was absolute elite gaming sessions. Temple Run, Subway Surfers, Angry Birds, Star Wars. What do you even know about that? You know nothing about that.
Don't chat to me
Because you're not elite, and if you are elite, let me know. But look, bro, back in the day, bro, Minecraft Pocket Edition on mobile was insane. Like, remember back when you had to make like the Nether reactor and stuff? Like, I swear, bro, that was actually peak. Like, I used to play all sorts of things. Anyways, that's level 1. It's like a quick little stage. This happens when you're young and you don't really got a device. Level 2 though, level 2 is when your parents decide to buy you something. Now, it usually be an iPad or a tablet. Like me, I was an iPad. I had an iPad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This is when gaming got serious, because now you got your own device. You could play anything at will. Now me, my main game was Minecraft Pocket Edition, bro. Oh my god. But before Minecraft Pocket Edition, there was Survival Craft. Survival Craft loved me when I was nobody.
But would she love you if you were nobody?
Nobody loved me when I was nobody.
I did.
Okay, that game was there for me. This one was too broke to afford Minecraft. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, you genuinely don't understand. You genuinely don't understand what this meant for me. And then when I upgraded to the Minecraft, oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I was playing lifeboat servers. I paid for VIP for the Hunger Games. Like, bro, this shit was crazy. Not gonna lie, stage 2 is amazing. Level 2 is amazing. Level 3, we got the handheld stage. Now, me personally, I didn't go through this. But this is when you get like a DS, or if you're part of the newer gen, like this is when you get like a Nintendo Switch. This is when you play like obviously handheld Nintendo. You would play Pokemon. Some of my friends, they had a Wii U actually, which is not a handheld, but it's kind of a handheld. They played Skylanders, like, you know what I'm saying? Disney Infinity 2.0. Dude, I know game. I know ball, bro. And I feel like some of y'all just don't know ball like I do. But yeah, like this is the handheld stage. I don't know much about this, but it's calm, you feel me? Like, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea. I don't know if it's calm, but it's calm, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, level 4, we got the console stage. This is when you get the console and this is when you start playing real games for once. This is, I feel like you step foot as a real gamer. This is when the opportunities arise. This is when you can get on Call of Duty. This is when you like play real Minecraft. Like, I swear that Pocket Edition wasn't cutting it, bro. That's when I started playing real Minecraft. I started playing Black Ops 3, the best Call of Duty of all time. Argue with your mom if you think that's false. Like Assassin's Creed, GTA. Like, that's where people are born. That's where the game chats are. Okay, once you get to that console stage, you're actually exposed to IRL people, IRL in-game chats. Like, it gets serious, bro. I'm telling you, this is where you turn into an adult. This is where kids grew up, bro. Like, genuinely, buying a console is life changing. You learn how to fight back. Now, level 5, bro. This is the VR, bro. Look, man, we all had a VR phase. My whole channel is a VR channel. In 2020, 2021, 2022, bro, the MetaQuest was popping. I'm telling you, everybody and their mom wanted one. It was so elite. And it was elite for the time being. Not gonna lie though, I kind of got bored and it was just kind of lame, you feel me? And I just wasn't with it. You know what I'm saying? But it's a different level because it's experimental. Like, you trying something new, a new form of gaming. And it's fun. And it's a whole unique experience playing all these games. But after a while, not gonna lie, it'd be getting boring because nobody got it for real. Now, level 6, this is the level where you just take a break. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes, bro, I just don't be gaming anymore. And I'm gonna be so like real, bro. It just gets so boring. Like, there's nothing to do. You overplayed every game. Nothing's hitting. You can't drive on Rocket League to stress out anymore. You can't free build on Fortnite. It's all so boring. I'm not gonna lie. But you know what I'm saying? This is the calm little break stage. Ain't nothing to it. I mean, there's probably more to it, but I just don't know right now. But finally, the last level of gaming. Now, this is when you like really hit it. Like, this is the top of the top. It doesn't get any better than this. The PC stage, like my brother. Having a PC will open you up to every game. You will never touch a console again. Once I got a PC, I swear to God, I stopped being obsessed with console. Like, bro, every game I wanted that was on console, I got to play on PC. Minecraft is better on PC. And I've mentioned Minecraft a lot, but I'm not gonna lie, it's been a staple game in my life. Black Ops 3, definitely not better on PC. Too many hackers, you feel me? But it's like, bro, like Metal Gear Rising, oh my god, I love that game. Bro, oh my god, like PC gaming is elite. Better FPS, better specs, better graphics, more games. Like, and it's not, and to be honest, if it wasn't for a PC, I wouldn't be here doing what I'm doing now. Like, this exact same PC I'm recording on, I also play games with. I also chat with my, like, bro, oh my god. I don't even know, bro. Y'all know the possibilities. I can't say it all in the video, feel me? I don't want to drag out the time. I got school tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Ma'asalam.